Guys, just look at my insane crypto wallet. If you want to make some real money with meme coins, then pay attention because I already hit my goals with this new method and now I'm giving you the whole playbook right now. I used to waste hours and hours flipping meme coins, constantly getting rug pulled, and I just kept getting wrecked by useless projects that just went nowhere, like the one you're seeing on screen. The dev just rug pulled this coin 2 minutes ago, which made him thousands. That's exactly why I found a new method. Now I can 10x my money in just seconds. It's actually insane. And the key is that I'm able to do it over and over again. That's exactly how I've been printing money, like you just saw at the beginning of the video. And here's the truth that no one is telling you about. The truth is that making and launching your own coins beats trading them, because when you're trading meme coins, you're only giving your money to the creator of the coin. But if you become the creator behind the coin, you can make so much money with no risk involved. But of course, this is all for educational purposes only, to show you exactly how all of this shit works. So if you are broke, well, you can copy me. Okay, but now it's time to stop yapping and head straight to the point. So if you want to create your coin, you'll want to come to launchtokens.fun, and here you will be able to create your coin on the Raydium DEX, which is 100 times better than Pump.Fun. Because if y'all don't know, Pump.Fun doesn't work nowadays anymore because the market caps are too low and too many coins are viewed as scams. So you have to be making coins on Raydium if you want to make some money, okay? Because if I go to my trending right on Photon and I go on the Raydium DEX, just look at the market caps: 10 million, 9 million, 8 million, 100,000, okay? You get the gist. And if we go on Pump.Fun, the market caps are absolutely dead. So 10k, they're all under 20k, which is really bad, okay? So you have to be making coins on launchtokens.fun. So you have two different options. The first option is to create your coin manually. So for example, if Trump, if Elon Musk, or if a big meme was to come out, well, you could make a coin manually here, which takes a couple clicks. But if you are lazy like me and you want to make some money with no marketing required, you can actually copy coins that are already trending at the moment and just make money like that, right? So you can come to the third tab right here and you can duplicate any coin that pops up here. So these coins will make you some money because they are already trending with a good narrative. So all you have to do is to create a coin and make some money, and then repeat and repeat until you hit 6 figures, right? On me personally, I just do this all day long and I just duplicate coins. I know that a bunch of people in my Telegram group and in my Discord server are doing the same. So I'm gonna duplicate a coin and make some money to prove that this shit actually works. So pooped in my pants actually caught my attention. First of all, it's funny. Second of all, it has 200 replies. So I'm gonna create coin. Then your phantom will pop up. Go inside of it. Whoops, I think oh, never mind. Okay, a warning will pop up. This is completely normal. Just proceed and continue. Okay, it's just phantom telling you that, you know, it's a warning. Confirm. I understand. Confirm. Then your coin will be created shortly. Also, normally there's more coins here, but yeah. Then copy here and click on create liquidity pool. Then here should be all selected, and basically here you want to make your liquidity pool to make it tradable on the blockchain, right? On Memescope, on whatever. So click on max for 1 billion coins, and the amount token B right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. You are not losing this money since you will be the first buyer inside your coin, so you are not losing this money, okay? You can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. I like to put 0.5 Solana because that is what I normally do. And then you can click on create pool, and then your coin should be created on the blockchain. Confirm. Okay, then click on refresh. Boom, it popped up. You're already $10 in profit. Now click on view on Photon, and then now your coin is live. Okay, it's pumping a lot at the moment. Oh my god, what the fuck? Okay, there's volume pumping in at the moment. Let me go on a lower time frame. Let's fucking go. Yo, a bunch of buyers are coming in. Yo, it's actually pumping. Yo, I was AFK for a bit, but look, a bunch of people are buying in like small amounts, but just wait, okay? I swear to God, bigger fishes are gonna come in and buy more. My bad. Okay, bro, this shit's actually pumping a lot. Yo, I'm not even doing anything. I'm just chilling on my desk and waiting for the coin to be pumped. Yo, it's like fucking, it's like passive income, bro. Now, if you want to check your profits, you can come to launchtokens.fun and click on refresh. And as you can see, I'm already $100 in profit. Or you can just look at the liquidity here or the market cap. There's a bunch of different ways to check your profits. Oh, now it's dipping, but I'm not gonna confirm or deny if this was me. Yeah. Oh, oops. What the fuck is happening? It's shooting up. Let's go. I think one more pump and then I'm removing the liquidity. Oh my god. Okay, now it might be a good time to remove the liquidity. So come back to launchtokens.fun. Click on the minus button. Do 100% remove the liquidity. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you remove the liquidity and print thousands of launching coins, bro. Obviously, bro, the coin was gaining traction, but it's really bad, bro. Like, I didn't want to wait longer for my buyers. Like, I want to make this video short and sweet for y'all. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet, let's check how much we made. $500 is inside my wallet. I think I made like $400. Oh my freaking god, bro. It's actually insane. If you want to enter the 5 Solana giveaway, just make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe. And then join my free Telegram group down below, and yeah, bye.